Obogema bwa yoyo kabero mu waziri munene bwense ya Kenya Nyagosiro Moskerela Molo Odinga nigo bwachenjete muno omwaka buriwe mochimikia nda 52 ekero abwatrenetigwe asege koregia 82 efforts ekyo kiarengete gonchore serikali omurai bwense bw'emyaka eyo maremu mzee Daniel Arap Moi magiga yogo kore myaka 5 no mochera atari kugambigwa Raila niga chagete sabari yo korenta obwonchoria bwage siasa sense ya Kenya anene okoreta siasa chebyame binge asoko bwatrana nabana siasa bande benga keyo buna Kenneth Matiba George Mosetanyona Charles Rubia na bande inseri aburiria Ford korwekerekyo Raila ororekanire ko bomurai werwete kurwanirira obwene bw'omwanya bantu na demokrasia.
The tears from the torture chambers are still running, as you can tell from the handkerchief that never leaves my hand. For years, I was not allowed to speak with other inmates. In fact, for 60 straight years, I did not sleep on a bed.
Ugoko kwae kwaretera mayanda manene asensengima Afrika na Kenya asengenjoni goreira lenge ekyorekererie kia kyobwegenwa oboremu no kweru konene korenta monchoria asense ya Kenya.
In 25 years from today, we will be in a Kenya of over 80 million people. The eyes of our people will be on their counties. Our counties will either be engines of innovation or bottlenecks of frustration. The choice is ours, and we must choose boldly.
Kando no gukora siasa Raila Obeira asomo stario motwe kwegerera ogotinge gwechi serikali chichi county asoko egena buna iyo nere nchira yoka kiromo Kenya aranyare konyoro bwene bwaye goetera samagenderero kurwa se serikali enene.
Need to watch against the transfer of power and resources from Nairobi only for the same to be hoarded at county headquarters.
Wachakira chinga kia katibe nyayo mwaka wechiru 2010 ya chagete gokorega sense ya Kenya baba erietario bwanchane ba Kenya bangi bakumoroka nigo abeire gagosingirira obuyobo gatuzi na kubaboria abagavana bakire county gokoromukia goikirania emerobiro ya magenderero sebirengo byechi county.
We have to continuously ensure local communities access the devolved power and resources and have the power to decide where funding goes and how the services and projects are run.
Asege kege tambe Raila Obeira kwegerera amonchoria erichiko erioriko tuguterare ekeganchagia CDF na kurwanirira richiko ryokoba abagavana chibesa chibigancha binde abuna chibesa chechisemi na chiria chakura chokorose chipara chechitauni.
Time has come to devolve education. The interest of efficiency and better service delivery. All money is currently managed by the NGCDF. Devolved system of government, there's no need for somebody sitting in Nairobi to be in charge of rural roads in Homa Bay or Kiambu or Nambu, for example. So this is an idea whose time has come.
Rest in peace, Baba. Eritarian Nkrokwa Hesbon, Magange, KCFM.